The program works as follows. First, it copies the original songs to a safe folder. Then, it replaces each one of the songs in the original folder with the song that you chose. But the main change that I did to this program is that it is way safer, because now it only manages the files that are the music files. So I can accidentally have copied something in either the music folder or the backup folder, and it will be still there. It will not be touched. That's the main change, but also it is more readable now, the code. The restore function, what it does is basically the same but backwards, and it moves the other files, so you stop having any repeated files, and it also deletes the other folder if there are no other files, right? The mute function uses the same thing to replace every song in the game, but instead of choosing any music file, it chooses a custom NSF file that is basically empty, just nothing, because the game crashes if you delete the NSF files. To set the custom song, all I have to do was to implement the copy function, but again, I did it so that it doesn't conflict with the other functions, because previously that was an issue. Not anymore. And the restore custom song is basically the same. It just replaces the location and copies back, and that's the main code. This is the list. I still have to figure out a safe way to update this automatically with the game, but I'm working on that. So for now, I have to manually add the new songs that will be added in the future for the game, and separate by level and boss. Thankfully, the boss music is all in a little folder, so I don't have to manually search for boss music. And this is an encoded NSF file, that is the mute file. And here, this is from the old code, so that's why it's all like scattered. But I am planning to rewrite the interface as well. But that is basically the program. It is very simple. If you use my program, please remember, do not touch the custom folders, because those are the backups. You will have to manually restore the songs if you touch that. But I am working on a method to automatically restore them if you delete them.